For pre-retirees out there, the next step you need to make is to hire a certified financial planner if you have not already. This is someone that will walk alongside you, build a plan, and really be your coach through the next 10 to 15 years up until retirement, or maybe less than that, and also through retirement. So it's good to have someone, a professional on your side that can walk you through the ups and downs of market, income flow, tax strategies, estate planning, everything that encompasses your financial retirement and estate plan. So go out there, interview a few, and find a great financial planner that aligns with your goals, your needs, and kind of your mindset around what retirement should look like. Once you've found a financial planner to work with, make sure that you create a clear and concise plan to eliminate any debt that you have in place, especially your mortgage. When you enter retirement, you do not want to have any debts in place. So that should be a primary focus when you start working with a financial planner, is to create a cash flow plan that will eliminate your current debt. Combined with eliminating your debt, you want to make sure that the rest of your financial affairs are in order. So what this means is making sure your retirement savings are up to date, you're investing in the right types of accounts. And so when you hit retirement, you're going to be able to redeem the money you need to redeem to create, a consistent cash flow and basically a paycheck to you in a tax efficient manner. If you have too much money in an RSP and not enough into a TFSA, it's gonna increase your taxable income, which obviously increases the tax payable. So there's a fine balance of where money needs to be when you enter retirement. And a good certified financial planner will be able to kind of customize that and massage that with you to make sure that retirement income won't be heavily taxed. The last recommendation for a pre-retiree is, if your work has a pension plan or group RSP savings plan, and they do seminars or webinars, make sure you attend those. Not only are they informative on your specific plan, especially for pension plans, but you'll also be able to get an outside voice on retirement. So again, hopefully you're working with a financial planner at this point, but it's kind of some free advice outside of your financial planner that you can bring back into the discussion with your financial planner to see kind of what makes sense and just kind of create some different views on it. And also, again, get specific details about your pension plan, which will affect your decision when you go to retire, what options you should take on your pension option statement. Thanks for joining us this week as we've gone through 5 videos educating you on different parts of your life. No matter what stage of life you're in, different financial planning tools and strategies to use to help you further your financial means and to get to retirement in a better spot. The 6th and final video is on retirement. Whether you're in retirement, planning for retirement, or it's a long ways away, you need to know what to do right in retirement so you make the right steps leading up to it. If you want that 6th and final video, it's in our financial planning masterclass for Canadians. We have a link below. You can find out more information about the course and to sign up. The reason we created this course is because there's a lack of good information in one location for Canadians. If you search the internet, the information is random at best. We weren't taught any of this in school, and most of our family and friends have little knowledge, and it's more personal opinion than actual knowledge behind financial planning. In the course, there's over 10 modules. Each module goes through a different part of your life, whether it's retirement planning, financial planning, estate planning, tax planning, planning for your kids' education or your grandkids' education, how to minimize taxes, what accounts to save in. We'll also cover off mortgages, real estate, health and dental plans. There's so much information in this course that you can learn at your pace, on your terms, on your phone, tablet, computer. We've made it as convenient as possible for you. So click the link below, find out more, and sign up for the course and get your financial future, your financial literacy on track and change your financial picture and generations to come.